In this lesson, we are going to determine the intersection and union of the given set. When we say the intersection of two sets, it means that it is a set of all the elements that are common or can be found on both the given sets. To understand this, let's have an example. We will have here sets A and B. For A, our given numbers are the following. And for B, our given numbers are the following. We will then find numbers that are present in both A and B. 10 here is present on A and it is also present on B. So this is a part of the intersection. 12 is present on A and it is also present on B. It is also a part of the intersection. There are no more numbers that are found on both A and B. Therefore, only 10 and 12 are part of the intersection. The sets now for A intersection of B are the following numbers. We have 10 and 12. And let us now find out A union of B. When we speak of union, it refers to all the numbers that are on the two sets. And the numbers that are on the two sets, we have 9. And although 10 is present on both A and B, we will just take this as 1. And we have 12, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. And these are the sets of numbers for A intersection of B and A union of B.